If you've ever thought motorized blinds sounded complicated to install, I had the same thought. But after installing them in our living room and seeing how much they improved the space, I knew it was time to finish the job. So today on It's About Flippin' Time Home Edition, I'm installing Curtarra motorized roller shades in the last two rooms that needed them, our guest room and our master bedroom. In the guest room, we went with the Vera shade in neutral, and the master bedroom, we chose Vera shade in linen. The install is actually surprisingly simple and only takes a few steps. Let's get these up and see how they transform the rooms. All right, quick pause here for a second while I put these up, because honestly, the hardest part of this whole project might have been taking down those old blinds that came with this place when we moved in. They had definitely seen better days, and getting them off the window frame took a little more effort than I expected. But once those were out of the way, everything else actually went pretty smoothly. Power is on. That took me 20 minutes to remove the old one and install that. And just like that, these rooms feel completely finished. The new Curtarra Vera shades add privacy, soften the light, and really help frame the window and tie the whole space together. Sometimes the smallest upgrades can make the biggest difference in how a room feels. And the best part is this install was actually pretty simple once those old blinds were out of the way. Thanks for hanging out with me for another It's About Flippin' Time Home Edition. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, find it, refinish it, and flip it. Now the guest room you're seeing right here, it actually went through a full makeover after the blinds were installed. So if you're curious how this room came together from start to finish, check out this video popping up right here where I walk you through the entire transformation.